okay, guy.
I'm scared.
It's okay, Mom.
It's not scary.
It is a big green monster. No.
It's okay. Don't cry. Okay.
You will. Okay.
Go away, big monster eyes. You can't come back. No, you can't go. Wait.
I see its teeth. It's a big green monster. I don't like your teeth. It's scary.
It's okay. Don't cry.
What's gonna happen?
It's okay.
Oh, you close the book?
It's okay. Ah! What the heck?
That's good. And don't come until